I finally got my hands on the Nothing Phone 1, and yes, I have some things to say about it. Nag-post ako sa TikTok and IG ng unboxing namin ng phone na ito at hindi ko in-expect na marami pala ang nanood at of course nagtanong at marami pa rin nagtatanong ngayon. No? In fact, at the time of the production of this video, over 600,000 na po nanood and more than 550 people commented. Now, in this video, we are going to grab some of your questions and comments and respond to them accordingly. So, let's get started. I know that you're still wondering about the specs and price of this device. Unahin ko na to, no? And then I'll answer some questions and reply to your comments in my unboxing video later on. You have the choice to click the video chapters I prepared to save you some time. And yes, while you're at it, subscribe and comment ka na rin. The Nothing Phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus. The one I've got has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. It's basically a mid-range phone at para sa mga nagsabi na parang ang mahal ng phone na to for the specs it offers, hindi kayo mali. There's a reason why and I'll talk about it later. Binebenta to ngayon ng Digital Walker ng 27,990 pesos, which is just a little pricier than the Motorola Edge 30 and also the Galaxy A52s 5G. The Edge 30, which is powered by the same 778G Plus, is not officially available here in the Philippines. The Galaxy A52s 5G that is powered by a Snapdragon 778G o yung non-plus version is officially available for less than 21,000 pesos. Performance-wise, Phone 1's chipset is faster by 10% versus the non-plus version of the Snapdragon 778G. So, with all these in mind, at least may idea no, or assumptions na kayo na kung bakit mas mahal itong phone na to ng around 7,000 to 8,000 pesos. Para sa akin, one, it's because of the performance boost you get from the new chipset, and two, Nothing is relatively a new brand and they need a high level of marketing strategy and expense to hype their brand and the phone up. And syempre, number three, may role dito yung economy. So, ayan na, let's answer or reply to your questions and comments. Oddly satisfying said, all aesthetics, nothing else. Actually, hindi naman. No? Not that I'm defending the brand. I still think that it's priced a little higher than expected, but it's not a phone naman na walang magandang offer na may bibigay. It is true, the phone offers quite a number of aesthetic features like its glyph interface, yung pailaw at saka yung sound kagaya nito. Also, yung see-through design at mukha siyang iPhone. Performance-wise, kaya niyang lumaban sa mga upper mid-range devices. In fact, if you take a look at my benchmark results, decent yung performance ng 778G Plus sa ibang mga mid-range chipsets. Yun nga lang kapag kinumpara mo ito sa presyo ni Xiaomi, Realme, Huawei, medyo mahihirapan tong phone na to. No? Piling-pili ang market ito at kung hindi pasok ito sa mga type mo na phone, simple lang, no? Hindi kanya market. Ngayon, yung glyph interface niya and also the see-through design really make this unique and also stand out among the rest of smartphones in the market. While I think na piling-pili nga, sabi ko kanina, ang market ito, you'll be surprised to know na may mga talagang may gusto no, na ganitong klaseng features such as I mentioned, the glyph interface. Now, ang gusto kasi ng Nothing is really more of functional design. Now, glyph adds something to the design, but it also functions as an added way to notify you. So, hindi ka na stuck sa LED notification light kasi binigyan ka niya ng notification panels that respond creatively sa sound. Alright, si Machoba63 asks, walang charger? Yes, wala. Sobrang nipis ng box, guys. No? Nung nakita ko pa lang yung box na to, hindi na agad ako umasa na may charger sa loob. So, tamang hinala po ako. This means that you need to buy a separate charger for this one. I suggest you get a 30 to 120 watts GAN charger. May recommended ako na charger na para sa inyo. No? You can go and check it out in the description box below. Ito naman, Jeff said, may issue na daw lumabas sa screen. Meron, pero it's just an isolated case. Dito papasok ang warranty. No? Should this happen to you, syempre, wag naman sana, Digital Walker has excellent after-sales service to take care of you. I covered about this issue last week. If you want to watch that, you can go right over here or in the description box below. Edison, ilaw ang, sabi niya, OnePlus pala. Okay, guys, just a correction. Nothing is not OnePlus. OnePlus was sold to BBK just recently, no? But it remains as a separate brand. Ganito rin ang setup ng other brands ng BBK like Realme, Oppo, andun din yung Vivo. At magkakamag-anak lahat yung mga brand na yan, no? Pero si Nothing, wala. It's a new company by the OnePlus founder, si Carl Pei, na hindi in any way related na to BBK. So short answer dito, Nothing is not OnePlus. Sabi naman ni It's Me Cams, tinanong niya, may lag ba when playing Call of Duty, Apex Legends, or Diablo? So far, wala akong naging problema sa Call of Duty, Apex Legends, at Diablo Immortal. Everything works perfectly and at least in my experience, no issues rin sa lag at saka sa graphics. Maximum settings rin lahat ang ginawa ko dito, although sa Diablo Immortal, walang support for ultra resolution. Ito naman ang mga sample gameplays natin using the Nothing Phone 1.
Charlie. Enemy contact. We tied for the lead. Someone wandered into our safe space. Whole squad down. Reloading. Someone wandered into our safe space.
Nanya Disney requested, pwede po patingin ng mga apps. Okay, if you're asking about the app tray at ano ang mga pre-installed applications, wala. Actually, no? They just mainly concentrated on adding QoL or quality of life settings like glyph interface, which I think isn't just cool and different, but also helpful especially to those who are into enabling light notification kapag may pumapasok na, again, notifications. Okay, si Irish Rusit naman, sabi niya, camera review please. Alright, one of our editors, Ram, will definitely include this in our full written review na we'll post on our website. But here are sample photos that I took using the Nothing Phone 1. You'll also see the specs of the camera on the side. Para sa akin, solid yung camera. It has good dynamic range. And of course, apart from that, good range of features to help you din siya, no, to compose and become creative with your shots. It also utilizes the glyph interface as fill light for your photos and video shots, including portrait. It is not perfect. You'll notice a high level of noise when shooting portraits at low light using the front camera. This was later improved but not entirely fixed with their first 117 MB OTA update last July 21. You're stuck with 4K 30 also when shooting video, but it will allow you naman to shoot up to 1080 at 120 FPS when shooting slow-mo. The front-facing camera does not have slow motion mode, para lang at least alam niyo yan, no? Also, before I forget, the camera app's expert mode is limited to photos only. No video expert mode. So, I guess that's it for our video. I know marami pa akong pwedeng sabihin, no? But I believe that we'll be able to cover everything on Ram's full review at gadgetpilipinas.net. To everyone who asked questions at nanonood ng video namin sa TikTok, maraming salamat, no? Sa inyong lahat. Now, help us break the YouTube algorithm by smashing the like and subscribe buttons. Kung may tanong kayo about the Nothing Phone 1, let us also know in the comment section below. Alright, that's it. This has been Gian, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!